Hello friends, welcome back to Rising Mathematics. In this video, we are going to solve this question from linear algebra based on the concept of determinant of matrices. Question is, let A and B be square matrices if determinant of matrix AB is non-zero. Explain why matrix B is invertible. Now, in order to give explanation of the given result, we need to use multiplicative property of determinant, which states that let A and B are square matrices, then determinant of matrix AB will be equal to product of determinant of matrix A with determinant of matrix B. Now we are ready to prove the given result. Proof: let A and B are square matrices, say of order n, then AB is also a square matrix of the same order n. Now, using multiplicative property of determinant, we know that determinant of matrix AB will be product of determinant of matrix A with determinant of matrix B. Now, it is given that determinant of matrix AB is non-zero. So, from this expression, we get determinant of matrix A multiplied by determinant of matrix B will be non-zero. That is, this product will be non-zero. Now, we know that both determinant of matrix A and determinant of matrix B are real numbers such that their product is non-zero. So, both of these real numbers must be non-zero. That is, determinant of A is not equal to 0 and determinant of B is not equal to 0. Now, we know this result. A square matrix M is invertible if and only if determinant of matrix M is non-zero. So, as we get both determinant of matrix A and B are non-zero. So, using this result, B will be invertible matrix and this proves the given result.